Sewmate, today I'll be illustrating how to pattern draft a diagonal safari suit. My name is Malcolm Oluwafunmi Ayo of MODABYMALCOM. Stay tuned. First thing first, trace out two full scale of center front block as shown. Put one aside. Then indicate the center line front as indicated in the video. Then ensure you have all your marks out so that you can interpret the style properly. On the neckline, I'm going to mark 1.5 centimeter on each side, 1.5 each on each side. Then at the hem of the front block on the other side, you mark where you want your diagonal line to start from or to stop. Then you set your ruler or your set square in this direction. Ensure it's aligned. I made a mistake here. I'm meant to connect to where I have my 1.5 centimeter, so I'm going to take it again. So this is how it should look like. So this side, the bigger side, is going to be my left hand side. So my left hand side, I'm going to cut out so we can see the left hand side, which is the one lapping the right hand side. For a guy, the left wrap or lap the right. So I'm going to place what I have left on the right hand side on the other full scale in order for me to add some seam to extend the center front like I'm doing now. It depends on how you want to extend it, but the important thing is you need to extend it in order for the wrapping to sit properly. So I'm going to extend it in this direction, and of course that part will be the right hand side. So that's to tell you that the left hand side is going to cover the right hand side. So I'm going to draw the collar, how to draw the collar and how to draw the sleeve for this safari suit. So this is how it should be. This is how it should be placed. So right now we're going to look at how to draft the pocket. That it has a cover pocket, and it could be, you can make yours into a wet pocket or jet pocket. So I'm going to drop the link for the collar, for the sleeve, and as well as how to draft a wet pocket. So please, if you are yet to subscribe. If you are yet to like, don't forget to click on the like button and leave a comment about what you think about this video. Thank you. So while we draft the pocket from the waistline, you mark down 7 centimeter below the waistline or as desired. Now we are going to draw in the width of the pocket cover while you dropped the 7 centimeter. So the width of the pocket is about 12.5 centimeter, and the depth of the pocket, that's the cover pocket, is between 4 centimeter to 5 centimeter or as desired. You know, we always want to do something different from what every other people are doing, so you are allowed to do or design whatever style you want to mark out from this pocket. So this is how it's going to be. You're going to do same on the right side of the safari center front suit. So mind you, the center back remains the same. All you need to cut out is cutting out 2 full center fronts, and you have a pattern the way it has been done. So thank you for watching. See you in next class. Thank you.